So we got our pan in medium heat. We're gonna add some olive oil, and we're gonna add a little bit of butter, not too much. All right. This is what we're gonna call. The olive oil helps the butter not to burn. And let's start browning our chicken on both sides. So this is perfect now. We're gonna just brown all chicken on both sides. About 2 minutes after, you can turn your chicken. It's a little bit of brown on both sides. And I'm going to brown it on the other side. See, that's perfect. Just leave it here for another minute. We're going to take it out of the pan, and then we're going to make the sauce for it. It's brown on both sides. I'm going to remove it from the pan, and I'm going to make the sauce now, and then I'm going to bring the chicken back to the sauce. So, we're going to take capers. Lemon juice. And just a little bit more butter. We make this emulsion between the vinegar and the butter. We bring back the chicken and just leave it sit for another minute, and then our chicken piccata will be ready. Smells so good, guys. Just leave it another minute, and then it's ready to taste. So now our chicken is ready. It's very nice seared and very nice color on both sides, and the sauce is sizzling. Very nice. So let's just go and serve it. I'm gonna put our chicken right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of the sauce on top, and you can serve this with pasta, rice, that you like. I'm gonna serve it with some potatoes, roasted potatoes. So just put the sauce inside, sauce on top. Smells so good, guys. So great. Those capers are crispy, nice. Oh, a wonderful meal. And just finish it with a little bit of parsley on top, and boom, ready.